What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?
What is poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxxPANA, and today I'm doing some pop smoke braids for you guys. This time I am doing zigzag parts, and I just definitely wanted to switch it up. I've been seeing different stylists get creative with these, so I thought I would show you guys something a little different because I have a couple posts of these on my channel already. So I decided to throw in these zigzag parts, and you guys know, like I said in many of my other pop smoke braid tutorials, that I like to pre-part before I actually do the style, just so I can make sure that my placement is symmetrical and everything is done right. This also saves me just a little bit of time because parting for me takes the longest, and then boom, I can just zoom through and do my braids. So I always start on the right side because that's my most comfortable side, and then I use the left side to just mimic what I have just done. So yes, I'm just gonna go through and define my parts and kind of just braid each section off where there's gonna be a braid. For this style, I did a total of 8 braids, and yeah, I will continue after I do all of my parting. So for a zigzag parting, you're typically just doing lines back and forth in opposite directions. That'll create that zigzag for you. But when I got to the last section that I was parting off, it was a little tricky because I did need to change the direction of the braid. This last braid needs to fall straight down on the nape of the neck. So the back part is gonna be a little funky. It's kind of star-like. So when you get to that area, you just have to kind of be creative, but I did make sure that it was matching on each side so it'll look really symmetrical and still nice. But yeah, that back part was kind of tricky. I was like, I don't know what this is gonna look like, but it turned out looking cool. So just play around with that until you get kind of like a shape and form that you like, and yeah. So this is what it looks like when all of my pre-parting is done. Even though you can't really see every single line defined, as you take those sections out and start braiding, you'll be able to figure it out. Sometimes you do have to go through and clean up the part just a little bit more, but for the most part, you kind of have your blueprint there, so you can kind of just move through and do your braids. For the first braid, I had seen a lot of stylists taking it kind of back and making it hang down, and I thought that was really cool, so I tried to do that. Whatever direction you are doing the braid in, I kind of just part down the middle in that direction, and then that makes it easier for me to follow the pattern and the shape that I want my braid to be in. But everything else is pretty much how I always do my feed-in braids. If you guys need an in-detail tutorial, I have multiple on my channel. I'll make sure I drop a link to those in the top right corner of this video, so make sure you guys go ahead and check that out, and then you can always come back and finish this video. So guys, I'm super excited to announce that I will finally be teaching online classes. So if you are someone who is interested, let me know in the comment section down below what you would be interested in learning most. I am going to be doing classes on braiding, parting, as well as growing and building a YouTube channel for yourself, because as you guys know, this is something that I had turned into a career for myself, and so I'm super excited to share all of that knowledge with you guys. So let me know in the comment section below if you would be interested in taking an online class. I am going to be doing group sessions and one-on-ones, and I'll be charging for them. I haven't really come up with my price list just yet, but I do want to know what you guys are interested in most learning from me. I know that I do share a lot of free information for you guys here, but I don't tell you guys everything I know just to protect my brand. But I do really want to help you guys. A lot of you guys have told me that I have inspired you guys in a lot of ways, so I do really want to be a lot more just hands-on with you guys and interactive in helping you guys build a career for yourselves. So to complete this look, I used 1 pack of the pre-stretch Expressions braiding hair. If I were doing this on an adult, I think it probably would have taken 2. Not only are adult heads bigger, but we do like a little bit more length for our styles. So for this look, I only used 1, but like I said, on an adult, it might take about 2 packs of the Expressions braiding hair. But I absolutely love this hair, and I always link it in the description section along with all of the other products that I am using. So please, 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 if you're someone who always asks me in the comment section, what did you use for this or what did you use for that, check the description section. There's links to purchase all of the products that I'm using. And if you guys would like to support my channel, I do get a small portion of what you guys purchase through the links. So I know it may not always be the cheapest option, but if you would like to support me, then I would greatly appreciate it. So this style took me about 2.5 hours to complete. I really have been trying to focus on getting my styles to be a lot more crisp and neat and not so much how much time it takes me, especially since I'm not in the salon and taking regular clients. My days are not super booked back to back, so I've really been able to kind of just focus on each style as it comes and really take my time and see how neat I can get it. But I'm really not a slow braider even when I'm taking my time. So yes, a lot of people ask how they can get faster, and I think that you should really focus on the quality of your work. Speed comes with consistency and with a lot of practice and muscle memory. So don't be so caught up on how long it's taking you. Just focus more on presenting a product that your clients love and that they will return for. All right guys, so this here is my finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. I've been trying to stay consistent, y'all. I know the world is literally crazy right now, but braiding is really my therapy, so I'm trying to really stay consistent with the content that I'm giving you guys and bring something new to you guys every single time I do an upload. I've been doing bangers back to back. If you love this video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share my videos, and as always, I will catch you guys next time.
What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?